Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about a legend, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, and whether it still holds its ground in 2025, this phone was a game changer when it launched back in 2021. But with newer models like the iPhone 16 and beyond, is it still smart choice? Let's dive into in design, performance, camera, and overall value. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's Syrah blue color. Let's start with design. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is a masterpiece of engineering. It's built with the stainless steel frame and ceramic shield front, making it durable and giving it a premium feel. Even today, it looks and feels just as luxurious as the newer iPhones. The camera bump is slightly larger than the earlier models, but it's an iconic part of its design now. The color options, especially the Syrah blue, still look stunning and stand out in the crowd. At 6.7 inches, it's a big screen, but that's the perfect for people who love larger screens. The Super Retina XDR display and ProMotion at 120Hz make everything feel smooth. Whether you're scrolling, surfing in Safari, or you watching any content, like you watching any YouTube video, or gaming, watching videos, even in 2025, the display is one of the best out there. Under the hood, iPhone 13 Pro Max is powered by A15 Bionic chip, and let me tell you, this thing is still a beast. Even in 2025, it handles iOS 18 like a pro. Apps open instantly, multitasking is a breeze, and it can handle everything from photo editing to playing the most high-end quality video like demanding games like Genshin Impact. The A15 was ahead of its time and when it's launched, and its efficiency still holds up. Plus, with Apple's long-term software update, this phone will keep running smoothly for years to come. Now let's talk about cameras. iPhone 13 Pro Max introduced features like cinematic mode, Pro RAW photo video, or ProRes video quality, which were revolutionary at the time. Even today, these features deliver stunning results. Literally. The 12 megapixel triple camera setup featuring wide, ultra wide telephoto lenses is incredibly versatile. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low light conditions, the results are sharp, vibrant, and detailed. Night mode especially continues to amaze me with its ability to capture so much details in darkness. The macro photography features also deserves a shout out. It's perfect for those up close, detailed shots of flowers, textures, or anything else that catches your eye. Even compared to the latest models, the iPhone 13 Pro Max holds its own, especially for content creators who want a reliable camera phone system. Now let's talk about battery life. One of the biggest strengths of the iPhone 13 Pro Max has always been its battery life. With a massive 4352 mAh battery, it's easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And in 2025, it's still one of the best iPhones in terms of battery performance. I have used this phone for everything, recording videos, editing, and even gaming, and it rarely leaves me hunting for a charger. For casual users, like you might even stretch into 2 days. I'll tell you why you should choose the iPhone 13 Pro Max in 2025. First of all, if you are on budget, like you are getting this phone on the second hand basis, so why would someone choose the iPhone 13 Pro Max in 2025? Well, if you are looking for a premium iPhone experience but don't want to pay the price for the latest models, this is still an amazing option. It's powerful, reliable, and has features that are still relevant today. You can now find it for a fraction of its original price. And for what it offers, whether it's the camera, battery, or performance, it's an incredible value. It's also a great entry point into the Apple ecosystem for anyone upgrading from an older phone or from any Android phone. That's it for today's video. iPhone 13 Pro Max may not be the newest kid in the block, but it's still a powerhouse in 2025. What do you think? Would you still consider buying one? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.